I'm in brass heaven, legitimately. EMTEK is renowned for its beautifully crafted hardware, all made right here in Los Angeles. I'm Carolyn Wilbrink, and I flew in to get a behind-the-scenes look at their factory with my friend Will, their talented lead designer. Let's jump in and see how these custom fixtures come to life.
This is where it begins. This is our supermarket.
Okay.
So
what is the supermarket?
This is where we have all of our loose components.
So I can touch and feel?
You can touch and feel.
Okay.
People are running through here with carts, grabbing products to fill orders like you would in a grocery store.
I love this.
Exactly the inspiration here.
Okay. The supermarket is incredible. Like a kid in a candy store, but for designers and hardware lovers. Every finish, every style, every option you can dream up is here, just waiting to be mixed, matched, and made into something amazing. We'll be back here later so that I can create my own custom fixtures on the fly.
So we have associates going through the market here, picking all these groceries for the recipes.
And then they bring everything here and assemble it.
Everything gets staged here.
Okay.
And then they get taken over to our assembly area where they will all be assembled by hand. It's all about the service at the end of the day and providing our customers with, fast, dependable lead times on a custom product. I love coming out here and just seeing what designers are using in real time when it comes to our hardware.
Next up, we're heading over to the select assembly area where things really get fun.
So this is our select cabinet hardware assembly area. Select allows you another level of mix and match personalization with different options, different stem designs and finishes to create your own mixed finish or textured personalized combination. And here we can see some of our fixtures that actually assemble the product. These are all parts that will be placed into this fixture for the whole entire Select line. Everything is assembled to order within 72 hours.
Seriously?
From when we receive it.
72 hours, that's pretty quick. Will showed me their massive warehouse. And when I say floor to ceiling, I mean it. So many options.
I mean, this warehouse is massive to give you an idea of the scale.
It's like, honestly, it looks like it goes forever. I can't even see how far back it goes.
Forever.
Well, we're at the shop area of our facility. Is there
Okay.
anything you want to see in particular?
I would love to see the Avenue collection.
Fantastic. We actually have that right over here in this rack.
Okay.
And in this box, I have something really special for you.
Is it the pull?
It is a pull in your favorite finish.
It's a lacquered brass. I love this. This is beautiful. Like just the weight of it, the sheen, it just feels so old English to me.
Isn't it beautiful? And as you're touching it, it's going to age in all these different areas where you're handling it. No two pieces will be alike.
I love it.
And it's a finish that truly tells a story that you're helping to make right now.
Yeah, absolutely. Look at that. All my fingerprints.
Yes.
From there, we made it into the cabinet hardware section.
We have arrived here at Cabinet Hardware for EMTEK.
What are we going to see?
Here you're going to see a lot of products. We have one of the widest ranges of cabinet hardware in the market. Also a wide size offering. There's a lot of value, as you'll see here as we walk down an aisle. You can see just different styles.
This area has all the individual parts that make up the endless hardware combos EMTEK is known for. It's wild to see how each little detail plays a part in something totally custom. Now we're heading back to the supermarket to cook up our own signature door hardware. And trust me, it's going to be so good.
What are we cooking?
What are we cooking? I've got a little grocery list for the supermarket. I'm thinking we try out a porcelain knob. I'd like to try out one of these glass diamond knobs. And what about an egg knob?
What about an egg knob? Yeah, we definitely have egg knobs right over here.
Let's get an egg knob. Oh, here we go. Perfect. Let's grab one of those guys. So we've got an egg knob, and then what about our back plates?
Well, we have lots of options.
Our rosettes?
Maybe some traditional options like our arch design.
I do love that. Okay, let's grab that. Oh, what about the Wilshire? Is that it there?
This is our Wilshire rosette right here.
Perfect.
And these are side plate, back plates. They're a little bit taller.
I love the bigger ones.
How about something more standardized in height?
Yeah, smaller?
Yeah.
What about this smaller arch?
Oh, let's grab one of those. What a great idea.
Okay. So do we get to go and play now? We get to go make them?
Let's actually go and assemble these and see how they look.
Okay, amazing.
Fantastic.
Okay, so we're gonna go with the glass, with the small rosette, and then our egg on the elongated and the porcelain on the Wilshire. You like this idea?
Sounds great. Here we have our 3 options
Okay.
that we disassembled here. We chose off of our racks. What do you
Okay.
think?
I mean, they are all absolutely gorgeous, and I can't get over the detail on the base of this. Like on the stem, just to see that against the small rosette, that's absolutely beautiful. This is gorgeous, like really, really, really pretty.
Okay.
And obviously the porcelain is something that's so timeless. I love the Wilshire side plate. This is something I could put in any farmhouse, any century home, and it would just be so classic.
Never a wrong answer.
Right? This is really, really pretty. But then this is kind of like my surprise today. I love the eggnog, but seeing it on this side plate, I don't know, it's beautiful.
How does it feel in your hand when you actually turn it?
It does. Like it feels nice. Wow, it's like solid. It really is.
Quality hardware. Yeah.
What do you think?
I love
What's
it.
your favorite?
I love the egg knob as well.
Yeah?
I think egg knob offers a little better ergonomics
Yeah.
for the hand.
For sure it does.
And the elongated design, I think, works well with the proportion of the plate.
Yeah, well, you know what I'm going to be calling you for? How many should we order?
A couple hundred, maybe?
I love that idea.
And we make up to 5,000 of these every day in our factory.
So 5,000 of these could be made in one day.
Yes.
Wow. Thank you so much, Will. Everything was mind-blowing today. I cannot get over the detail in every piece.
Of course, we loved having you visit us and learn about our hardware and our process.
Yeah?
I think we worked pretty hard today. What do you think?
I feel like we did. I'm getting a little hot.
Yeah.
I feel like we could go for a drink.
Let's
Celebrate.
do this. Get some margaritas?
I'm down.
All right.